Dom here from Essential RC, again out with the Avios C-130 version 2. So we had a good first flight with this. Flies like a trainer, I'm not kidding. It is really easy to fly. They've definitely improved it, really fun. As I said in the first video, this is super quick to put together. The only bit of glue you need is to put on that plastic protective bit on the nose and some of the other scale details, but otherwise it just bolts together. Running a 4MAX 4S 2600 in this, and I got lots of flight time, even with it, the 4 motors running at about half to 2/3 throttle most of the flight. So on this one, on this flight, we're going to cruise around. I'm going to do a stall test. Somebody asked me to do that. I'll try and do that clean and with the flaps down. But I've also got some cargo as well that I'm going to drop by opening the cargo bay door. Let's see how it goes. Where's the wind? Going to take off uphill if anything. Okay, we're up. That crosswind nearly caught me out. All right, we ready for cargo bay drop?
Look at that.
Streamers away!
I know.
Yeah, did you get them?
Do you know something? I didn't. Oh, no. After all that, I saw them come out, but literally...
hard to track them.
Yeah, really hard to track.
Oh no, 3 more!
Oh, I can track those ones. Yeah, I've got those streamers.
That's good. Delayed.
There you go. Just what we needed. They're actually falling quite slow, aren't they?
Yeah. No, that was really effective, I thought.
Yeah, good luck finding those, Ollie. Okay.
All right, I'll descend and close the doors, the cargo bay door on the pass. Brilliant. I quite liked how it was delayed. It did 2 and then it did 3. You can see how bumpy it is.
Yeah.
Wow, it really is getting knocked around. All right, so somebody was telling me about a stall test. So this is, I'm going to do this high. So. It just sinks. And that was into wind, more or less.
Oh.
I'll do that again with flaps. Flaps 2. And again, not too bad. Yeah, so it's not like it snaps over. I'm not brave enough to pull a loop or a roll yet. Maybe in a future video. one more pass and then I'll set up for a landing. Right, gear going down, flaps.
You can see it's turbulent.
Oh my god, it wasn't a soft landing. There we go. That was brilliant, well worth the effort trying to do that cargo bay drop. I'll just show you the door.
Where is it? Oh yeah, 3 stages. No, two stages.
Two-stage door. I've got it on a 3-position switch, but that worked really well.
Yeah,
Thanks very much for that, Trev.
that's right.
So there we go, that's the Avios C-130 version 2. Link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. But great fun to fly, and you can do additional stuff with it, like drop stuff out of the cargo bay door. What's not to like? Thanks for watching. Trev, thanks on camera.
That's right.
Ollie, thanks for putting the streamers together. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Take care, everyone. Bye. Brilliant.
They're really hard to track.
Oh no, 3 more.
Oh, I can track those up.
Oh my god.